Hello everyone, my name is Kirtiraj Nagraj. I'll be presenting our paper Smart FDA Attack Design and Detection with Data Transmutation Framework for Smart Grids. These are all the other contributors in this paper, and we're all from Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at University of Florida. This paper has been accepted to be presented in IEEE PES conference general meeting. Just to provide a high-level background of our paper, many of the traditional and data-driven FDA detection techniques or false data injection mechanisms rely on the smart grid measurement statistics to find these false data injections. And if an attacker through snooping can learn the measurement statistics, then the attackers can devise these smart FDA attacks that can go unnoticed when the state of the art techniques are used. So in this work, we design the smart FDA attacks that can go undetected with current state of the art solutions, and also propose a novel smart grid cyber defense framework that is resilient to the smart FDA attacks. So the proposed framework can succeed where other state of the art solutions fail. So the mechanism is straightforward that we change the measurement statistics. We sort of encrypt the data using some data transmutation techniques, and then send it to the control center. So even if attacker tries to access the data during the communication through snooping attacks, they would still not have true measurement statistics to devise the smart attacks. And once the this altered measurements reach control center, we decrypt the data and then we send it to a machine learning layer, which will detect the false data injections from the normal measurements. So we designed 4 different kinds of attack models: smart RAM-based RFDI attack models based on whether it's based on linear ramp or smooth ramp. And we validated our proposed framework for all these different kind of smart RFDI attacks on an IEEE 118 bus system. And we use classification metrics like precision, recall, and FN score to understand the performance or to compare the performance. And in the training data, we kept the data in such a ratio that only 5% of the data is attacked or false data injected samples, and remaining all are normal samples. And we also use 10% of training data to design these encryption parameters and train this machine learning model. So coming to comparison, we compared the performance of our proposed framework with both physics-based and also a data-driven FDA detection techniques in the literature for these smart FDA attacks for all the different 4 RFDI models. Our proposed framework succeeded where these other state-of-the-art techniques failed due to the nature of the smart RFDI attacks. These RFDI attacks are where there is a gradual shift in data statistics, and these other models or other techniques, they rely too much on the data statistics, and so their techniques can be misled with the smart RFDI attacks. So looking at the table, you can see that the physics-based approach or the SE approach did pretty well in terms of precision, but it failed badly in terms of recall and FN score. And similarly, the data-driven ensemble coordinate with adaptive statistics approach, ECDAS, did pretty well with the recall, decently well with the recall, but it fails pretty bad with the precision metric. But the proposed framework does well in all 3 metrics, like the precision, recall, and FN score for all the different smart RFDI models. And to conclude, this paper presents a smart false data injection attack design and an easy to implement but effective encryption decryption mechanism for measurement data using data transmutation techniques. And the simulation results show that the proposed framework results in much higher FN scores for smart FDA attack detection compared to other state-of-the-art techniques. And we do feel that the smart RFDA attacks designed in this paper using a combination of snooping and spoofing attacks can be used as a baseline for future studies related to any data integrity and attacks in smart grids. Thank you.